Hello everyone. In this lecture now we are going to see the installation of Python. Before showing the installation, I want to tell one thing that we can work with Python in three fields. One is making use of pip that is provided by the python.org members, and second thing is Conda that is provided by Anaconda community, and the third thing is online tool provided by Google that is nothing but Google Colab. So we are going to make use of Google Colab and pip only. The reason is that if you install Anaconda, your system speed will be reduced. So that's the reason I am going to show the installation of pip in this video, and working with Google Colab will be in the upcoming classes. Now just let me show you how to install the Python from python.org. The link is provided in the description of the video. Yes, friends. Now go to the browser and type python.org. Yes. Here, if you scroll down, here also you can get the downloading, or you can also navigate to downloads page. And here it will show the latest version 3.1, 3.2 is the latest version. 3.14 is about to release, still it is not yet released. Yes, if you click directly, it will by default it will install for Windows only. If you are using some another operating system, select it based on your operating system. Yes, and here you can see download zipped and compress the source tarball. Based on your OS performance, you can select any one. Since mine is Windows, I am going to work with Windows. Yeah, in Windows, it will ask whether it is ARM 64, 32-bit or 64-bit. For that clarity, I am showing how to verify about your system configuration. Go to settings, and in settings select the system, scroll down. Here you can see about, right? Click on about, and here you can see system type 64-bit OS x64 based processor. Based on that, you need to install. Once you click on install, here the installation will be completed. Since already in my system it is downloaded, I am cancelling it. The reason is that when you will install Jupyter Notebook and all, there will be a collision if there will be two types of Python versions. Either you need to uninstall the older one and download the new one. Yeah, once it is open, like go to downloads. Yes, in downloads you will get like this. Yeah, Python AMD 64 like this. You will get the latest version one. Mine is 3.12 version. Once you double click on it, it will ask for permissions and all. You need to agree, accept, and you need to give the path for saving the complete files and all. Either it is C drive or somewhere it will save, right? Once it is saved and completely it is installed, just close all the tabs. Yes. Now, if from here open the command prompt. Yes. Here, by two ways you can verify. Either verify Python hyphen hyphen version. Some of the system says that Python is not found. Then you need to enter py hyphen hyphen version. Yes, it displayed the Python version here 3.11.9. Yes, either some version supports this command and some version supports this command. But along with the Python, once the installation is done, automatically you will get IDLE and all. IDLE is nothing but here you are going to code the Python actually. This is like a command shell, and output also you can see here only like console. For example, if you want to choose a lengthy program, then click on file, new file. You need to enter the code here, and while saving the file, let me show, save. Yes, while saving, you need to give some name with the extension .py, as Python extension is .py. Let me close this all. Yes. Along with Python, pip is going to install. Similarly, one more thing also I'll show here. Yes, pip is also installed. Sometimes you may get error with the pip that though Python is installed, you may get some error that pip is not recognized. Like this, you may get. So how to overcome it? Let us see. But before that, one more thing I want to show. Similarly, you can do Anaconda if you are interested. From Anaconda distribution, you can download anaconda.org is the official link. From there, you can get the Python also. But here, for installing anything, we will use pip, right? If you are doing from Anaconda, you need to use conda install. Yeah. If pip is not recognized, how to rectify it is, just let me show. Here, go to search bar, enter Python. Here, don't click on any of the following things, guys. Just while typing here, you will get Python. Select that one and click on open file location. Yes, you need to copy this location, Control C. Yeah, and again go to search bar. Enter edit the system environment variables. Click on environment variables. Yeah, since it is given that the pip is not recognized, the reason is due to the part because part is not recognized. That's the reason. Select part and click on edit, and here you can click on new and paste this one. Since I have already given, I am not going to enter it. Yes, after entering that following part, click on OK. Yes. Yeah, with that it is not over, guys. One more thing also you need to do. Now just lightly you tap on it. Again right click here. And from here open file location. Here you can see scripts, right? Click on scripts. Yes. This location also you need to copy. Scripts location. Once you copy that one, again you go to edit system environment variables. Click on environment variables. Select path, click on edit, say new, paste that link, and then click on OK. Since I'm already having the scripts, I'm not going to enter it. You need to click on OK, guys, always. Yes. Once this complete thing is done, close. Yeah, again you need to close the command prompt because sometimes due to overwriting you may get some errors. Now you can verify the versions. Python version I'm verifying first. Yes, Python is present. Now I'm verifying pip. Yes, pip is also present. Now all the installations are ready. But while working with the packages, how you install the packages is pip install the package name. Let me say some NumPy. Actually, NumPy and Pandas will be automatically installed. But for you purpose of explaining, just I am showing a brief introduction. You can see requirements already satisfied, nothing but already installed. Yeah, similarly, if you will download the Anaconda version, there you need to enter Conda install NumPy. For me, it will say that Conda is not recognized, guys, because I am not going to work with Anaconda. I am going to explain with the python.org one that is nothing but with pip only we are going to work. If you are downloading Anaconda, you need to use these commands. Just only in place of pip, you are going to use Conda. That's all, guys. This is the complete installation of Python. And based on our requirements in various applications, we can use the different packages we will install in the upcoming sessions. But this is only the complete installation of Python. Yeah, and one more thing is that for few versions it does not support OpenCV packages and all. So based on that, you need to install the version, or there are also some alternatives how to handle them. Or for suppose if you are using various packages of in the latest version, guys, assume that one or two versions are not supporting those packages. Then for just one or two packages, you can't uninstall the present version and again go back. So in such cases, we can use a Google Colab. It is the online tool. Let me show that one also. Google Colab. Yes. The extension of Jupyter notebooks or this Google Colab notebooks are .ipynb, guys. Remember that one. For simple Python files, it is .py. Even here also we can code. The coding part we will start in the next session, guys, because I don't want to make everything at a time into your brain. Yes, if you are having any doubts or any issues you are getting while installation, you can drop in the comment section. Thank you.